Hello again, and welcome to another episode of Math Made Easy. In this episode, I'm going to be showing you how to find the area of a rhombus. Here is the formula for finding the area of a rhombus. A equals 1/2 d1 times d2. Let's create an example here so that you can see what all these letters mean and how this formula comes together. Alright, here is a rhombus here where we've drawn a line to indicate the diagonal 1 and a line to indicate diagonal 2. Now, in order to get the area for a rhombus, we first must take the length of diagonal 1, multiply it times the length of diagonal 2, and then when we get that answer or product, we simply multiply that times 1/2. Let's put some numbers in here for our diagonals and then run the formula. Alright, so the length of diagonal 1 is going to be 5 meters. So let's change that here in our formula. And the length of diagonal 2 is going to be 4 meters. So let's change that here. Alright, now we've made our formula a little easier by getting rid of all the letters, or the variables. One thing I'd like to add, though, is I want to put some parentheses in here around the 5 times 4, just to emphasize that you need to do this math first before even worrying about this half. Alright, let's run our formula. So the first step is 5 times 4. And 5 times 4 gives us 20. Alright, so now this part of our formula has become 20. Now, the last step, or excuse me, the next step that we need to take is multiplying the 20 times 1/2. Now, since we're multiplying times a fraction, we need to make the 20 a fraction too. And to do that, you simply put 20 over 1. Now, multiplication of fractions is pretty easy. You simply multiply the numerators, 20 times 1, which is 20, and multiply the denominators, 1 times 2, which is 2. Now we've created the fraction 20 over 2, or 20 halves. Well, this is not an okay fraction, so we're going to have to do some division. We're going to divide 20 divided by 2. Alright, 20 divided by 2. You probably know this one in your head, but I'm going to go through the whole process just to review a division. 2 goes into 2 once. 1 times 2 is 2. Subtract 0. Bring down the other 0. Now we're dividing 0 by 2. 2 goes into 0. 0 times 2 is 0. Subtract, and there you are. So 10 ends up being our answer. But it's not quite our answer, because we have to remember to add our units. Here we're working with meters, so we put meters in our answer, and because we're dealing with area, we need to square our units. So they're going to be square meters. So our area for our rhombus is 10 square meters. And that's all there is to finding the area of a rhombus. I hope this helped you, and I'll look forward to helping you out next time. See you later.